2025 is almost over. Every mistake, every mischance, every moment you felt overwhelmed, it's already behind you. But here's the truth. Setbacks don't define you. What defines you is how you rise after them. And 2026 is the year you rise higher than ever before. Every comeback begins with a single powerful decision. I will not stay where I fell. You don't need to wait for the perfect moment. There isn't one. You don't need all the answers. You just need to start. Because comebacks are built with consistency, not luck. With daily effort, not instant results. With quiet progress, not loud announcements. In 2026, commit to these three pillars. Discipline over motivation. Motivation fades. Discipline doesn't. Show up when it's hard. Show up when you're tired. Show up even when no one is watching. Every small act of discipline becomes a brick in the foundation of your comeback. Improvement over perfection. Perfection is the enemy of progress. Take the step. Learn the lesson. Adjust. Even slow growth is still growth, and small victories stack into unstoppable momentum. Belief over doubt. Self-belief is your greatest weapon. When doubt whispers, stop, belief tells you, go again. If you don't believe in your comeback, the world never will. But once you do, everything around you begins to shift. Your story is far from over. You're not defeated. You're rebuilding. You're not behind. You're preparing. You're not done. You're just getting started. Stand up. Breathe. Focus. Your comeback isn't an idea. It's a decision, a commitment, a moment. And that moment is right now. 2026 is waiting. Make it the greatest comeback of your life.